Hi, my name is Laura Lee Taylor. I am currently attending Central Michigan University, going for my master's in early childhood education. I am in an administration class, HDF 508, and this presentation will be talking about health, safety, and nutrition out of the Core Knowledge and Core Competency book. Competency E is what we are going to be focusing on in this presentation. And competency E demonstrates ability to partner with families to exchange information, provide services and/or referrals, and create links with health, safety, and nutrition programs. So it's basically about getting the teachers, the directors, the principals on board with the parents, um, the community partnerships that they can reach out to get the students they have in their program healthy and safe if they need to reach out to each other and come together as a team so that the kids are getting the help, the knowledge to prosper in life and in their education.